Well, hello and happy, brisk, chilly morning from Log Cabin Firewood. I'm Jack. Thank you for tuning in. Got a ton of new subscribers on the channel. Just want to say thanks, guys. Make sure you let me know in the comments if you're new. Today, I'm going to finish up splitting some of this maple and sweet gum. I'm going to keep saving what I think is persimmon. I'll split that with the cherry and locust that's also stacked up here. Stick around. So I mentioned in previous videos that I was going to be hoarding wood, which I have. We got some oak, we got locust, cherry, and then the stuff over here that Miss Veda's chewing on. But it's time to get rid of this stuff. I have some new inventory coming in. It's not the best stuff in the world. My neighbor, also Jack, he finally got his permits approved to start getting done what needs to happen over here for their home so that I can get my best neighbor in the world back. But these couple trees here with the yellow lines marked on them, Chaz from Plans for Tree Service will be taking them down, and I'm going to keep the wood. There's also a big maple over here that will be taken down. It's a big one. And in preparation for my future wood boiler, I have to take a couple trees down as well. I don't like taking trees down, especially living ones. The gum trees, I really don't mind, but I don't know, I didn't buy a property with woods on it to be cutting them all down. But it is what it is. This birch tree here, this beech tree here is severely damaged. He's got some good rot in him. So this definitely needs to come down. It's beautiful shade in the summer. But if it were to ever fall, it's going to fall on my garage, and the house is more important than this tree, I guess. So Mr. Beech Tree, I'm sorry, but you're coming down. So over the next couple days, I'm going to try and bust some of this stuff up so that I have more room. The tree guys will be leaving these logs in log lengths or whatever's easier for them to handle, and I'll have to buck them up. But hopefully we can stack them somewhere over here. I'll get this stuff cleaned up for them and they have enough room to stack stuff up. If not, we'll put them right here. Don't bother me. But we're going to get things fired up. Easton Made 916, one of the best log splitters known to man. Kaufman dump trailers. It still has that load of gum in here. But we'll continue filling this up, get this stacked up, and then start splitting some good wood. I also have a delivery to make this morning, so we're going to get this see if we can get what's left here in this little pile here. There's 2 rows split up before I have to make this delivery. there you have it. The maple and the sweet gum is split up. And this sweet gum just makes a bunch of nasty, nasty slash. But it will go into the fire pit and start one of our bonfires here soon. But this is probably close to a full cord, probably a little bit short, I think. I don't know. It's normally a full cord, you know, about up to here, level all the way across. So I don't know if I were to slough the top down, and it's close to a full cord of campfire wood. I think that's going to be it for today. Next week, we'll get into some of this over here and get to stacking it. Everybody have a fun, safe week. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Next week, we'll have some footage hanging out with York Firewood, doing a little charity thing. Stick around for that. We'll catch you next week. Take care of each other.